Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been scrolling through your feed and thinking to yourself, this year is going to be my glow up year, you're not alone. A glow up isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good, being the best version of yourself, and living with intention. Whether you're focusing on mental health, self-care, fitness, or just learning how to love yourself more, today we're diving deep into how to glow up this year, step by step. Let's get real and authentic about it. No quick fixes. No get glowing overnight nonsense. Just real actionable steps for a lasting transformation. So, let's get started. 1. Start with self-awareness. The first step to any glow up is knowing where you're starting from. You can't change what you don't understand. Take some time this year to really reflect on where you're at emotionally, mentally, and physically. Get in touch with yourself, your thoughts, your habits, and your mindset. This might be a little uncomfortable, but it's necessary. Journal your thoughts. Start with something simple like, how am I really feeling today? And get specific. Are you stressed out, tired, unmotivated? Or are you feeling optimistic and ready to take on the world? Self-awareness is the foundation of your glow-up journey. If you want change, you have to be honest with yourself about where you are and what needs to shift. This also means letting go of any negative self-talk. If you've been telling yourself you're not good enough or not capable of change, it's time to silence those inner critics. You've got this. 2. Mental and emotional glow up. Okay, now let's talk about mental health because your glow up starts on the inside. A mental and emotional glow up doesn't happen overnight, but it's so worth the effort. Start by setting healthy boundaries with yourself and others. This year, it's all about protecting your peace. That might mean saying no more often, prioritizing your needs, or distancing yourself from people or situations that drain your energy. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but trust me, the people you spend time with can have a huge impact on your mental health. Another key part of this is practicing gratitude. Every morning, take a moment to write down 3 things you're thankful for. This small habit shifts your mindset and helps you focus on what's going right instead of what's going wrong. Finally, therapy. If you've been thinking about talking to a professional but haven't taken the step yet, this is your sign. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your body. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself. 3. Physical glow up, fitness, and self-care. Now, let's talk about physical transformation. First off, let me remind you that a glow up isn't about fitting into any specific mold. It's about finding what makes you feel strong, confident, and comfortable in your own skin. So let's focus on feeling good, not just looking good. Exercise isn't about torturing your body, it's about strengthening it and making it feel energized. Find a workout that makes you feel empowered. It could be yoga, weightlifting, dancing, or even just taking a long walk every day. The point is to move your body in a way that feels good to you. But it's not all about working out. Nutrition plays a huge part in a physical glow up too. You don't need to follow some extreme diet. Focus on nourishing your body with whole foods. Hydrate, eat a variety of fruits and veggies, and try to limit processed foods that leave you feeling sluggish. Listen to your body and give it what it craves. And don't forget about self-care. That's a huge part of any glow up. Whether it's skincare, relaxing in a hot bath, or giving yourself a facial massage, make time to care for yourself. A glowing complexion often starts with good skincare and a healthy lifestyle. Find a routine that works for you and stick with it. And there you have it. With these 3 simple steps, you're on your way to glowing up and becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, it's all about consistency, self-love, and embracing your unique journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more glow up tips. Until next time, keep shining and stay fabulous.